come back over and yeah, try and get it light back and stuff. See smoke coming from it, warm, like put back some fire in it and stuff. And may I watch it a little, because I don't know if it's gonna continue like this or if it's gonna out. Yeah, whatever, but this is how the skull skin looks when it dirt. Mm. There's smoke coming from around and around. All of that. So I have to dig all these dirts. You see, smoke supposed to be coming from around here also when it fully catch up. It's just coming from one side, it's not going that blast, eh? It's very slow. It's pretty very slow. As you can see, it's even coming through that crack there. Guess I'm gonna throw some dirt up there and stuff.